Alright, sorry I have to do a second video because I didn't realize that the first one you can only do 15 minutes. Alright, so I ran in my terminal here, java methods lab.java. I entered in David, and here's what I got. They all work. I don't know if I qualified for the early bird bonus, but it renders all four correctly. The styling, you can double check it, but it looks correct on here. I don't have many comments though. Alright, last but not least, it's the object lab. This is with the castle. So this one is an Eclipse. Okay, let's launch that. And here we are. Let's expand that screen up there. Okay. So I actually did 3 classes. I just did my background as a separate third one over here. So let's see here. Constructors. So I call my castle class the castle object one. So I've got my constructors right here. Castle object with taking 2 integers, castle object taking a point value. And then I have my set door color, and these are my methods in here. So these are just my constructors right here. Alright, so let's look back there. Set door would equals C, color C right there, background. So I did up here, I did fields, and I made a color background and a color wood. There. Alright, and then I use the castle object to draw it, and a second castle. So that's right here in the castle.java. Right here in my paint component, doing a castle object C1, and I'm doing draw castle. I passed in coordinates, and then I passed in a point. And I made that point right here, and I set the X and the Y. And then I draw that second castle. The background is also drawn. That class looks very similar to, I had a whole bunch of stuff for like the airplane and clouds and things, but it looks very similar. It just has a single constructor, or sorry, 2. No, just one single constructor, correct? And it has the fields, and it gets set here. All right, and that'll get called with paint component as well. Okay, so all the naming is correct, except for I don't have many comments again. All right, and then I'll just run it to show that it works. My window is a little big for this. There we are. With the second castle at a different location and different colored stuff. Awesome. All right. And that is all of them. That's the, so I had, again, conditional lab, loop lab, arrays lab, methods lab, and objects lab. Thank you very much. Sorry this has to be in 2 videos. Thank you so much. I signed for all of them virtually, I suppose. Thank you.